Yay, my turducken is here. I'm going to stick it in the freezer and wait for Thanksgiving. All right.
Hello, please don't leave packages in this hallway. Press bell 1 and 2. Press bell 1 and 2. Thank you.
You're too slow. I forgot my what do you call it? I was like, wait a minute.
I didn't want my
Where'd it go?
$173 turducken go missing.
Yeah, oh, is that what it is? The turducken?
Yeah, that's right. 14
Oh,
pounds.
man. Yeah, that's the good old John Madden days.
Yeah.
Oh, that's something. You want me to put you in or
Yeah, that's fine.
Sal it is?
Yeah, Sal.
Sal on the list.
Unfortunately, it's